Gunny here from Gunny Worm Detail once again. Today we are doing some property maintenance, cleanup, whatever have you. Yeah. I am in New Orleans today. The Worm was supposed to join me, but we know how that goes. So let me go ahead and get started. This should not take that long, and I will get back with you. Thank you. Gunny here from Gunny Worm Detail once again. Did not take too long, but this is the end result of the what is it? What you call shotgun house wash. This is one of many to come. Did not take too long as I expected, but as you remember, this was covered in slime, mold and mildew, and what have you. Those are actually cracks in a, yeah. But anyway, as you can see, we really don't cut any corners. So for all your pressure washing, we know summer's coming up, pressure washing, lawn care, detail, mobile and on site. Please contact Gunny Worm Detail. Once again, thank you for viewing.